Imphal West Police arrest 3 cadres including a Sergeant Major of PLA RPF during checking at Yai School yesterday. Modi campaigns for BJP in Assam tells people he shares a special bond with the state as he showed Assam tea in childhood. And Impact TV loses to Shanghai Express in the cricket final of the Amju Journalist Sports Meet. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. 3 cadres of People's Liberation Army Revolutionary People's Front, including a Sergeant Major, were arrested by Imphal West Police. Sources said the 3 cadres were arrested by the police while they were checking by the passers-by yesterday afternoon near Krishna Premi Oil Palm at Yai School. They are identified as Sergeant Major Adhikari Mayum Shamakanta Sharma, alias Solo, 50 years, son of Ibotombi Sharma of Brahmapur Bhagyapati Laikai, Bajaspati Mayum Shibananda Sharma, 50 years, son of Homendro Sharma of Moirangkhom Bokul Makhong, and Khetri Mayum Sanjoy Singh, alias Pandum, 35 years, son of Indra Kumar of Singjamai Bhagyapati Laikai. Police seized 3 mobile phones from them. They were interrogated at Imphal Police Station. 2 people have died and over 100 injured during the Yaosheng celebrations in the last 4 days in different parts of the state. Over 100 injured people have been admitted in government and private hospitals. Sources said at least 20 persons are battling for their lives in intensive care units of hospitals. It may be recalled that Imphal East and Imphal West launched special drives to prevent untoward incidents during the 5-day festival. Police have booked more than 2,000 offenders and collected over rupees 2.5 lakh as fines. There have been reports of dozens of minors and youths holding up traffic on busy streets in the city areas for carrying out motorbike antics for hours. Some of them met with accidents during these antics. Thabal Chongba, which is an integral part of the Yaosheng festival, is being organized in various parts of the state since the first day of the festival. Youngsters are enjoying Thabal Chongba organized in the middle of the roads in Imphal at night. The organizers have closed half of the roads in Kaishamthong, Sagolband, Uripok. A woman has been held with many capsules of PH drug. World is yours. Sources said the woman was arrested by 12 Assam Rifles posted in Khudeng Thabi and More yesterday afternoon. The woman has been identified as Mbori Devi, 34 years, daughter of late Chauba from Langthabal in Thawal district. She has been handed over to More police station. Timely action by fire brigade prevented a major wildfire last night in the Langol Hills from Chingmairong to Luang Sangbam. The wildfire, which broke out yesterday afternoon around 4, were put out by the forest department and local people. But the fire again broke out at night. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while with more news updates. Keep watching Impact News.
Manipur की अहान हार्ट सर्जन डॉक्टर KSS कला सिंह MS MCH FICS FAICH नलायंग जरी अदोमना बाईपास सर्जरी वाल्व सर्जरी ASD सर्जरी PDS सर्जरी अमसुंग VSD सर्जरी तौगदब लेरगदी स्काई हॉस्पिटल दा निंगथौकाबा यमसक समरी इराय नुमित की OPD मतम पुंग 13 दगी अमा फावदा लायंग जगनी निंगम हौदना बमांगजौना स्काई हॉस्पिटल की रिसेप्शन दा लाक्पिदना बुक तौबी
मणिपुर की अहानबा ब्यूटिफिकेशन सेंटर मफम सिदा माहिंग उरिंग उनसा खोइबा अरीबा दाकफम फहनबा ngami टेटू मोल फ्रेकल न चिंगबसु लौथोकपा याय हकचांग की अहेनबा फेट पामदबा बॉडी की हेयर लौथोकपा याय अहानबा लाकपीबा 100 कस्टमर दा स्किन टेस्ट अमदी डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन लेमने हिंगजगन ngasimak unabiu डॉक्टर मधुबाला लेजर ब्यूटी क्लिनिक MG एवेन्यू Imphal.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today tried to strike an instant bond with the people of Assam as he began his election tour in the northeast state with a rally in Tinsukia. Recalling his days as a tea seller, Modi said he shares a special bond with the people of Assam, a large tea-producing state. Modi told people it was your tea I sold to people and spent my childhood. As he began his campaign for the BJP, the Prime Minister said, I am not fighting Gogoi but Garibi poverty. In Tinsukia, which is also the Lok Sabha constituency of Union Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs Sarbananda Sonowal, Modi projected his colleague as a future Chief Minister of Assam, where the BJP has never been in power. He pitched the 53-year-old Sonowal against his 79-year-old Chief Minister. Modi, in his election tour of Assam, will hold seven rallies in 2 days. The party is contesting 91 of the 126 assembly constituencies in the state. The BJP won 7 of the state 14 Lok Sabha seats in the 2014 general election, securing a lead in more than half the assembly constituencies and polling nearly 37% votes, 7% more than the Congress. The Congress has ruled Assam under Chief Minister Tarun Gogoi for 15 years now. Mehbooba Mufti, the People's Democratic Party's chief ministerial candidate for Jammu and Kashmir, has staked claim to form the government along with its ally, the BJP. Mehbooba Mufti will be the state's first woman chief minister. The PDP and the BJP met with Jammu and Kashmir Governor N.N. Bhora and discussed the same with him. PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti and Bharatiya Janata Party senior leader Nirmal Singh had sought a meeting with the governor today and followed through. BJP's Nirmal Singh said they have submitted a letter to the governor where BJP legislators have unanimously supported the PDP in government formation. The date for swearing-in ceremony will be discussed between the two parties and finalized. Governor's rule was imposed in Jammu and Kashmir on January 8 after Mehbooba decided against taking over the reins following her father Mufti Muhammad Saeed's death. Former Indian cricketer S. Srishant named figures in the BJP list for upcoming Kerala Assembly elections. The former pacer will contest the election from Thiruvananthapuram. The BJP last night issued a list of its 51 candidates for the Assembly poll. The BJP Central Election Committee met late last evening at the party headquarters in New Delhi and finalized the list for candidates. Earlier, the party had released the names of 22 candidates for the Assembly polls. The 140-member State Assembly will go to polls in single phase on May 16th. Meanwhile, the newly formed Bharatiya Dharma Jana Sena (BDJS), a constituent of the NDA, has released a list of its 29 candidates for the Assembly elections. The new entrant will contest the election on 37 seats. Names of remaining 8 candidates will be announced shortly. Continuing his testimony to a court in Mumbai today, before Judge G.A. Sana, Pakistani-American terrorist David Coleman Hatley claimed that NIA recorded his statement wrongly. Hatley said NIA never read his statement back to him. He claimed to be seeing the copy of his statement to NIA for the first time. In a startling revelation during his cross-examination presently underway in a Mumbai Session Court, 26/11 operative David Coleman Hatley said his statements were not recorded in exact words. Hatley today maintained that Zakir Rahman Lakbi introduced him to Muzammil Bhatt in 2006 as a top commander of LET and told him that Bhatt handled Akshardham and Ishrat Jahan project. However, he denied to have told NIA that Lakbi sarcastically told him that Muzammil's operation were a failure. Hatley further stated that Lakbi also told him about Ishrat Jahan case. He said that he gave details of Ishrat Jahan operation in NIA statement which was not recorded by NIA. Several cracks and holes have developed in the Mount Everest region due to last year's devastating earthquakes that killed about 9,000 people across Nepal, according to a specialist team responsible for maintaining the climbing route on the world's highest peak. Ang Shering Sherpa, chairman of Nepal Mountaineering Association, said the great earthquakes of April 25 and May, as well as a large number of aftershocks, have caused some damage in the Everest region. He said the ice fall doctors fixing the ladders and ropes have informed that due to the cracks and holes developed on the slope of the mountain, they need to fix more ladders this time. It can be mentioned that more than 440 aftershocks with magnitude 4 or more have hit Nepal after the 2 earthquakes last year. Now some sports news. Impact TV today lost to the Shanghai Express in the final cricket match at the 6th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2016 organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union. In a match played at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, Luang Sambam Impact TV defeated Imphal Times to enter the semi-final. In the semi-final, Impact TV beat Pungnapam by 7 wickets. However, they lost to Shanghai Express by 30 runs in the final. Friendly football matches between Manipuri and popular football clubs of Manipur were held today at Iraima Sports Complex at Sagolmang. In a match, Maniwood beat PYC Sagol Band 2-0. In the second friendly match, Neroka FC beat Kundrakmam 11-2-0. Inaugurating the match's speaker T.H. Lokeshwar assured the people that sports complexes will be developed in Kundrakmam Assembly constituency to encourage the sports talents and produce good players in various disciplines.
National level के character दा अंतंग येंगे न तक जबने अदर मतुंग दा हंदा की दिस हदी अनक सही दा सोई संगारानी ground सी के तारे ने चप चप मागी standard दो अदुम चप चाने योल लगा शेमनी हंदा की 2016 ने पूरा पूरी सिनरानी PYC ground है जे खंगरी बा सगोमांग PYC ground है खंगरी सी सगोमांग है जे सुने सुने सिनरानी.
The first Kanglei Park Thangta Championship 2016 organized by Kanglei Park Students Association KSA concluded today at Kwakathil, Thongnau Jamlekai. Huyen Lalong Thangta Academy are the team champion with 65 points while Pahulasi Mangay Koibi are the runners up with 61 points. 18 boy and girls team took part in the championship. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Imphal West Police arrest 3 cadres including a Sergeant Major of PLA RPF during checking at Gat School yesterday. Modi campaigns for BJP in Assam tells people if he shares a special bond with the state as he stole Assam tea in childhood. And Impact TV loses to Shanghai Express in the cricket final of the Amju Journalist Sports Meet.